guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and I'm sharing the birthday cards that came in the mail from my mom with the little contest that I was doing, and I wanted to share the cards that I received and thank all of you amazing ladies so very much. And to start with, I want to say that I'm a little brain dead and a little zombified. My mom just spent 12 days inpatient hospice and went back to the nursing home today. She doesn't have much time left. So I don't know if she's even going to be able to see all of these beautiful cards that came in, and I apologize because I've held them and just opened them today, and to share them on camera because it's time for me to do that, because the giveaway ends tomorrow, and with today being Saturday and my mail has already ran, then I know that I've got them all in at this point. And if you did a video response, whether here on YouTube or on Instagram, please let me know in the comments below so that I can give you those points for that. And I'm going to go through each of these cards individually and talk about them. And again, thank you guys so very much. But I'm at a little bit of a loss at this point because I'm losing my mama, and it's sad, as you can understand. Now, here is the first card that I'm showing, and this comes from Kimberly Cochran. And she made a gorgeous homemade envelope, and it just about killed me to have to tear it up because I like keeping those. I love homemade envelopes. And she's made this gorgeous card with this bow with the paper strips and these beautiful Prima flowers, and she's put a little black jewel in the center, and she's got a little flag banner that comes off of it that says celebrate, and then she's used some washi tape and some Nuvo drops, or I think those are Nuvo drops, in that pretty sparkly lime green color, and it's just a beautiful little card, very pretty. And then she has decorated the inside as well, and I'm not going to share those messages. And it's just beautiful. Thank you, Kimberly, so much for sharing your talent with me and my mother. I really, truly appreciate it. And then the next one is this gorgeous little card, and I just love all the work that went into this. And this comes from Lucy McPherson. Look at this pretty little bling she's got here, and she stamped happy birthday, and these very, very dimensional flowers. They kind of look like poppies. I'm not for sure what they are. And then it's a shaped card is what I'm trying to say, and it is so pretty. And then she's done that on the inside, and I love the papers that you used as well. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. I'm going to set these off to the side, and then here's the next one, and trying to remember who this came from because she didn't put her address and name on the outside. So if you win the contest, you're going to have to email me your address. And this comes from Terry Fox, And look at this beautiful picture. And it's a picture that she took, and it's of Comac Street in Philadelphia. And that is just gorgeous. I just love that picture. Thank you so much for sharing all of your talent with us. And she gave the full history on the street, that it was wood planks, so, and because it's right downtown Philadelphia, that you didn't hear the sound of hoofbeats, or made it more muted is what I should say. And I love pictures and history like this, and I know my mama does too. So thank you so much. And your handwriting here, because she wrote down here, Comac Street, Philadelphia, T. Fox 2012, which is when she took the picture. And she decorated up the envelope so pretty and stuff. So thank you, Terry, very much for participating. I really appreciate it. And then here is my next beautiful card, and this comes from N. Hall. Let me see if her first name, and she used Velcro. And N. Hall is all that I know. I'm sorry, I don't know her first name, but look how much dimension this has. It looks like she used a standard note card, or a pre-made note card, and then she's decorated and embellished it all up. And these look like the images that she used. Oh, I'm sorry, my mind is dead and blank, but I know these are pre-cut die cuts from, I'm thinking Teresa Collins. That's the name I was trying to think of, but I'm not for sure if it's her or the other lady, and my mind's too numb to remember the other lady. Little blonde-headed lady. You guys know who I'm talking about, or I hope you do. But she's got everything, all dimension here, wishing you the best birthday. And I just love these die cuts. They're absolutely gorgeous. I believe these are peonies and dogwood flowers and bees. And those are two of my most favorite flowers ever. And Mom always loves the dogwoods in our yard. So that's just perfect. And then she's used some of this beautiful gold bling all around, and these beautiful enamel dots and that beautiful sparkly green. It's just gorgeous. And she put a little pull tab here with that little pink gingham ribbon with the Velcro dot. And look at the inside. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Because I call this a peony too. Maybe it's not, but it's what it looks like to me. And it's just so dimensional and so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's just precious. I love it. And it says, age is merely the numbers of the years the world has been enjoying you. And that's just perfect for my mama. Absolutely perfect. Because I know I've been enjoying her all of my years on life, and so has my sister and brother as well. So thank you so much. This is just amazing. So thank you. And I think everybody has left their addresses, well, except for the one. I'll need an address for that one. And then this one comes from Miss Velma Sharp Johnson, and look how pretty this is. Birthday gives us a time to stop and see the blessings we have enjoyed during the year. And that beautiful succulent. And then she's put in a bouquet of die-cut balloons that are a different shade of green. And it's just so pretty. Very pretty. I love everything you guys have done. And look at this, how gorgeous. Hope today you'll have time to enjoy the things that mean the most to you and to think about all the blessings that God will send you in the year ahead. Happy birthday. So thank you so very much, Velma. I love your card. And then we have this gorgeous one. This one comes from Miriam Ferris. And look at all of these gorgeous die cuts that she's used. And the little flowers inside this little doily die cut are all popped up and cut out, and she's put the beautiful little pink bling pieces, and it says have a wonderful birthday, and Mom's favorite color is pink. So this is amazing. I love it. That took time. That took a lot of time. And the little flowers are all layered up as well. And it says it's your special day. And then she stamped little polka dot balloons in here. And this is all die cut or popped up on foam tape. And it's just amazing. And thank you very much, Miriam, for your wonderful note on the inside. That's just amazing. And then my last one comes from Jan, and I know for a fact she has a YouTube channel that's Handmade by Jan, and she does scrapbooking layouts like I do. This is the scene scrapbooking layouts, and if you don't follow her or watch her videos, you most certainly should. You've got to go find her. She does an absolutely fantastic job, and I love this paper collection that she has chose. And look at her cute envelope. It's just absolutely gorgeous, her little envelope card that she's used. And I think this paper is Flower Market by Cartabella. Cartabella is my favorite paper collection, and that's what you can win, is one of 2 of the Cartabella paper collections that I have. And look here, she put in this beautiful die-cut doily in the background of that envelope. And look at this amazing card. Oh my goodness. It is fantastic. She is an amazing paper piecer. Just amazing. And the papers that she chose is just fantastic. A little 3 little balloons, and she's got these 2 popped up on dimensional tape. And then these little cute presents that are kind of an odd shape. And then the center of the bows, she's glittered. And I think she put glitter on them. I don't believe they're glitter cardstock, but I don't know for sure. And then the little puppy dog is 100% paper pieced together, and she has inked around every layer, which is amazing. And the little hair bow, and her eyes, look at the eyes on her puppy dog. She has done amazing eyes. She does amazing eyes. You're going to have to do tutorials on those, Jan, because I have a horrible time doing eyes, and I've been scrapbooking for almost 20 years, and I cannot do eyes. I cannot do them. You're going to have to do a couple or 3 tutorials on how to do eyes for us slowpokes who have thick skulls and don't and just can't get it. So if you would, I would really appreciate that. And the little muzzle on the dog, she's got all popped up on foam tape as well. And then she has this little present popped up on foam tape too. And Mommy loves dogs. absolutely loves them, and she did an amazing note on the inside as well. So thank all of you wonderful, precious ladies for participating in this giveaway. I truly, truly appreciate it. And if you pray, please say a little prayer for my mom. And if you don't, then send some light and energy for my mom and for us kids as well. We need it. And with the pandemic and everything that's going on, it's been incredibly difficult. When she's in the nursing home, we're not allowed to go in and see her or visit her. However, when she was in hospice, one family member was allowed in each day. So she was there right at 12 or 13 days, inpatient. So I spent about 8 hours a day with her there. So, and she went back to the nursing home today, so I'm kind of at a loss and don't know what to do with myself because I can't go spend time with my mama. So, thank you guys for sharing some time with me and letting me ramble on about my wonderful mother. I truly appreciate it. And I know I'm behind on some scrapbook layouts, and I'm going to start getting some of those filmed here next week. And just thank you for hanging in there with me if you're my subscriber, and thank all of you wonderful ladies for sending cards. It means a lot, and I truly appreciate it. Cheers.